Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 4040, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 4040? What's the symbolism of 4040? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 4040 mean for love? What does 4040 mean for twin flames? What does 4040 for manifestation? How does angel number 4040 affect finances? What does 4040 mean for former relationships? How does 4040 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 4040? What are the weaknesses of angel number 4040? What's the meaning of angel number 4040? Angel number 4040 signifies stability, structure, and spiritual grounding. It combines the practical energy of number 4 with the infinite potential of number 0, both repeated for emphasis. This number reminds you to stay disciplined, build solid foundations, and trust in divine support during your journey. It indicates that persistence, patience, and inner strength are key to manifesting your goals. 4040 often appears when you're being called to strengthen your spiritual connection while working steadily toward your purpose. It's a sign that the universe supports you as long as you commit to practical efforts and divine guidance. What's the symbolism of angel number 4040? Angel number 4040 symbolizes a balanced blend of physical responsibility and spiritual alignment. The number 4 represents order, hard work, and building something lasting, while 0 symbolizes potential, oneness, and divine connection. When these numbers appear together, they highlight the need to ground your dreams in reality while staying spiritually centered. 4040 symbolizes the importance of boundaries, planning, and faith. It may appear when you're seeking security or trying to navigate change. The number reminds you that your actions today shape your long-term success, and that divine forces are helping you build a life rooted in purpose and peace. What is the angel number 4040 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 4040 emphasizes the importance of spiritual structure and alignment. It calls you to build a strong foundation rooted in faith, discipline, and daily practices such as prayer or meditation. The energy of 4 brings focus and dependability, while 0 amplifies divine presence and spiritual flow. Together, they invite you to trust the process of spiritual growth and remain committed to your higher path. 4040 encourages you to rely on both inner wisdom and divine timing, knowing that the universe supports your progress when you act with integrity, purpose, and unwavering spiritual commitment. What does the angel number 4040 mean for love? In love, angel number 4040 signifies loyalty, commitment, and building strong foundations in relationship. It urges you to be honest, grounded, and emotionally stable with your partner. This number encourages slow, steady growth in love rather than rushing into emotional extremes. For those seeking a partner, 4040 signals the importance of choosing someone who shares your values and long-term vision. It also reminds you that love rooted in mutual respect and effort will stand the test of time. If challenges arise, 4040 suggests working through them with patience and practicality to maintain lasting, meaningful connections. What does angel number 4040 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 4040 emphasizes structure, healing, and spiritual grounding in the connection. It suggests that the twin flame journey may currently require inner work, stability, and self-discipline before reunion or deeper connection can unfold. The number 4 encourages building trust and creating emotional security, while 0 reflects the infinite nature of the bond and divine timing. If you're experiencing separation, 4040 reassures you that spiritual development is occurring on both sides. It invites you to remain strong, trust the process, and focus on becoming your highest self, which ultimately brings the twin flame union closer. What does angel number 4040 for manifestation? Angel number 4040 supports manifestation through patience, structure, and alignment with higher purpose. It reminds you that dreams are best realized through consistent effort and spiritual connection. Number 4 brings grounded energy, encouraging planning and discipline, while 0 enhances your connection with universal energy. 40/40 urges you to manifest not just material success, but a life of integrity and stability. Stay focused, take practical steps, and trust divine timing. It's a sign that you have all the tools necessary to bring your vision to life, especially when you remain humble, grateful, and willing to put in the necessary work. How does angel number 4040 affect finances? Angel number 4040 suggests financial success through stability, responsibility, and long-term planning. The energy of 4 encourages budgeting, saving, and strategic investments, while 0 signals divine support and new opportunities. This number appears when you're being guided to create a secure financial foundation that supports your goals and values. It may also signal the importance of aligning your income with your purpose. Avoid shortcuts or risky ventures, and instead focus on building wealth gradually. Trust that your steady efforts will pay off, and that spiritual alignment will open doors to financial blessings and abundance. What does angel number 4040 mean for former relationships? Angel number 4040 brings healing, closure, and clarity regarding former relationship. It encourages you to view past connections as essential chapters in your growth journey. The energy of 4 provides emotional grounding, while 0 invites spiritual perspective and release. This number suggests that letting go of resentment and learning from the past will empower you to move forward with grace. It may also indicate that some relationships, though ended, served a divine purpose in shaping your emotional maturity. 4040 is a sign to rebuild your inner strength, establish healthy boundaries, and prepare your heart for new, stable love. How does angel number 4040 guide your work life? In your work life, angel number 4040 promotes dedication, professionalism, and structured success. It encourages building a solid career through patience, discipline, and aligned action. Number 4 relates to responsibility, productivity, and perseverance, while 0 enhances spiritual purpose in your career path. This number may indicate it's time to pursue meaningful work or take greater ownership of your goals. It also suggests that success comes from being consistent and detail-oriented. If you're facing career uncertainty, 4040 offers reassurance that your efforts will yield results when aligned with purpose and supported by divine guidance. Stay grounded and trust your path. What are the strengths of angel number 4040? The strengths of angel number 4040 lie in stability, resilience, spiritual awareness, and determination. Those aligned with this number are dependable, loyal, and committed to building secure futures for themselves and others. Their practical nature helps them overcome obstacles with calm perseverance. They are also spiritually grounded, able to draw strength from divine connection and inner wisdom. 4040 strengthens planning, patience, and the ability to stay the course through challenges. It fosters a sense of duty and long-term vision, making it ideal for those building careers, relationships, or spiritual paths that are both meaningful and enduring. What are the weaknesses of angel number 4040? Weaknesses of angel number 4040 include rigidity, overcautiousness, and resistance to change. While its energy promotes stability, it can also lead to fear of risk or being stuck in limiting routines. People influenced by 4040 may become overly focused on security, neglecting spontaneity or creativity. The disciplined nature of 4, if unbalanced, can cause emotional repression or burnout, while 0 may trigger periods of spiritual confusion or disconnection. To overcome these challenges, it's important to stay flexible, open to new ideas, and willing to balance work with rest and joy. Embracing growth while honoring structure is key.